We'll see how to assign a controller time in form of hour, day, year, either how to make the totalizer for an analog value and how to make a totalizer for a shift like shift A, shift B, shift C. Before configuring the totalizer, you have to define the time for the shift, and today we will see how we will define the time. Then we will see how we will define the totalizer. Then I have defined a CM for the time. You can see it is called total time. Now I will open it. This CM is already made here, but I have copied that, and now I am going to delete all these content which is already assigned in this CM. I have already deleted all the things. Now you can see the blank page, and now we will define the controller time in format of the hour, day or year. First we will see in format of the hour. Now we will go in the library, and here we will pick the type converter block which is inside the utility. You can see here it is the type convert block. We will drag and drop here. Again we will connect a param connector to this 32-bit integer here, and we have paste the name of controller, and now go give the hour. You can see this is the variable for controller time in form of the hour. Further we will use a equalizer block which comes from the logic library. Here you can see it is the equalizer block. It is the equalizer block, and we will connect it from 64-bit float value. We will wire here 60 float bit 2 in 1. Next step, we will use a pulse block for 2 seconds of the pulse, and in between them we will use a block called flag here, and the flag comes in the library of utility. You can see this pin connected on the bottom side. We have to change it. Left click on that and go in the pin. Now there is a single pin, and we required one pin as input and another pin as output. Then we will add here output as a PVFL. It is the PVFL, and add here. Now we have to change this pin to right side. Here output we will change it from right, and you can see here it is again right side. Now we will connect it to each other from wired it, and I have wired to it. Again we have to give the time for to generate this pulse, because this time comes to this type converter block, it will convert it and give the input here, but we have to again give the a fixed value. Suppose we have three shifts, one is 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., another is 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., and third one is the 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Then for the first shift we have to give here the 6 a.m. Then it will come from numeric, and numeric come we can put it from any other logic like that. Here in utility we take a numeric value. Here also the pin is connected from bottom side, we will change the pin from right side. And now we will connect these wire to from here to here. For comparing the block, two values, it will this block compare from this pin to this pin when suppose we have given this value to 6. When these 6 values come here, if it will pass 6 hour, this will also pass the 6 hour, it will get the both value are equal, and it will put this pin high and it will generate the flag high and get again low, then it will pass the 2-second pulse, and we will use it in the totalizer. Suppose this is the set totalizer set value, it will generate the totalizer set value for the 6 to 2 p.m. for the first shift. You can call it first shift. Now we will save it and we will download it. See, the logic is being downloaded. You can see it now. We will see in monitoring mode, total time 1, either simulation mode. You can see here controller is connected. Now we have to activate it. The block is inactive in monitor mode, so we have to download in monitor. Now this block get active. as it is showing blue means the CM is inactive. Now you can see it is active. Here you can see the time is coming 16 hours because there is a 4 o'clock, which is 16. When it will comes again to 6, and here is a set value of the 6, it will high this value, this flag will also get high, and it pass the 2-second pulse to our totalizer. Either you can use it for start, either you can use it for stop or reset. Whether you can use it, you have to prepare the logic as per your requirement.